Morning children, have a nice day ma. So in this class we learn about that book back questions. Okay, the first one, choose the correct answer. In leech, locomotion is performed by anterior and posterior sucker, but here it is in separately, so this none of the above is the correct answer. Okay, yeah. Then the segments of leech are known as metameres, that is also known as somites. Okay, that pharyngeal ganglion in leech is a part of nerve system. Okay, amma, pharyngeal 3 ganglion is present in the nerve system, you know that. Yes. Then that fourth one, the brain of leech lies above the pharynx. The brain of leech lies above the pharynx. The body of leech has totally how many segments ma? 33 segments. The body of leech has 33 segments. Then mammals are dash animal, warm-blooded animal, you know that, warm-blooded animal, because covering with hairs, it is helps to keep the body in warm condition. Okay, then animals which gives birth to young ones, that is called viviparous animal. Lay eggs na oviparous. Okay, you know that. Yes. So choose is over. Then the second Roman, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, the posterior sucker is formed by the fusion of the dash segments, last 7 segments. The posterior segments, how many segments joined together form the posterior sucker? Last 7 segments. Okay, then existence of 2 sets of teeth in that life of an animal is called dibiodont dentition. So different types of teeth means heterodont, 2 sets of teeth mean dibiodont. Okay. Next, the third one, that anterior end of leech has a lobe-like structure. That is called anterior sucker. 2 suckers are there, anterior and posterior. Here anterior sucker. Okay, yeah, anterior end. Then that fourth one, the blood sucking habit of leech is known as that is sanguivorous animal. Then that fifth one, dash separate nitrogenous waste from the blood. In rabbit. Which one ma? Kidney. So within bracket you have to write in nephron. Okay, so with the help of nephron, that kidney separate nitrogenous waste from the blood in rabbit. So you have to write kidney, within bracket you write nephron. Okay, then the seventh one, dash spinal nerves are present in rabbit. How many spinal nerves? Totally 37 pairs of spinal nerves. Okay, 37 pairs of spinal nerves. So filling the blanks is over. Next we see that Roman number 3, that is true or false. Okay, so identify whether the statements are true or false. First identify pannanom the statement true or false on. Correct the false statement. Suppose the statement is false means you have to write the correct statement, but here I write that key points only right here, but don't write like this way. No one cut that word. So suppose for example the first one, an anticoagulant present in saliva of leech is called heparin. Anticoagulant present in saliva of leech, சலைவாவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த ஆன்டிகோயாகுலன்ட்ருக்கு பேர் தான் ஹெப்பாரின்னு கொடுத்துருக்கு. ஸோ ஹெப்பாரின் இஸ் ராங். ஸோ யூ ரைட் த number 1, you have to put the number 1, you write the answer false. You write the answer what ma? False. False. You write it full. False. Next line, you have to write it correct statement. Correct statement you have to underline. After then you write an anticoagulant present in saliva of leech is called hirudin. Hirudin. Okay, do you understand that? You know how to write it? Okay, so in this way all the false answer you have to write in this way. So true means no problem, you have to put the number, you write true, leave it. But false means you have to write in this way. Okay, false, then you write the correct statement, you write that full sentence, no one cut and rewrite. Okay, so you remove the words, you write the correct word for the removing word. Okay amma? Okay, next you see the second one. The vas deferens serves to transport the ovum. Vas deferens serves to transport the ovum. Vas deferens எங்கே இருக்கும்? மேலா ஃபீமேலா? மேல். Then only that answer is sperm, not ovum. Okay amma? Sperm. So you write this is false. Write the correct statement, that was deferens served to transport the sperm. Okay, then the third one. The rabbit has a third eyelid called tympanic membrane which is movable. The rabbit has a third eyelid. rabbitக்கு ஒரு third eyelidன்னு ஒன்று இருக்கும். eyelid. ஓகே, ஐயை கவர் பண்ணக்கூடிய அந்த லிட்டு தான் என்னது? eyelid. ஸோ that is tympanic membrane is given. இது வந்து மூவபுளாக இருக்கும் இந்த membrane. Okay, so the tympanic is wrong. So the third one is false. You write the correct statement. The rabbit has a third eyelid called nictitating. 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 Okay, nictitating membrane. Okay, which is movable. Then that fourth one. Diastema is a gap between premolar and molar teeth in rabbit. Diastema is a gap between not premolar. This is incisors and premolar. So this is the correct answer. So the fourth one is wrong. So you have to write it false. You write the correct statement. Diastema is a gap between incisors and premolar teeth in rabbit. Okay. Then the fifth one. The cerebral hemisphere of rabbit are connected by band of nerve tissue called corpora quadrigemina. The cerebral hemisphere of rabbit are connected by band of nerve tissue. It is in that nerve system. இந்த பிரெயினில் உள்ளத பார்ட்டில் நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம். அந்த ரெண்டு ஹெமிஸ்பியரும் ஒரு டிரான்ஸ்வர்ஸ் பேண்டில் ஜாயிண்ட் ஆகுது. அதுக்கு பேர் என்னதுன்னு பார்த்தோம்? கார்பஸ் கல்லோசம். இட் இஸ் நாட் தட் கார்போரா குவாட்ரிஜெமினா. ஸோ த ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ். யூ ரைட் த கரெக்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். The cerebral hemisphere of rabbit are connected by band of nerve tissues is called corpus callosum. Corpus callosum. Okay amma?